Top attractions in Qatar. Best rankings are informed by traveler reviews. Consider the quality, quantity, recency, consistency of reviews, and the number of page views over time. Souk Waqif. This place takes you to the past of Qatar people through several ways of exposure of traditional costumes and architecture. The place combines past with the present with modern cuisine in restored old buildings and paved walkways. One can spend all day getting in touch with Qatar heritage while in between breaks. Enjoy tea, shisha, local, regional, and international cuisine. Museum of Islamic Art. Set in the Mia Park on the Doha waterfront, the museum building stands out as an architectural gem. Once inside, you will see masterpieces of Islamic art, including metalwork, ceramics, jewelry, woodwork, textiles, and glass. Collected from 3 continents and dating from the 7th to the 19th century. Entry to the museum is free. National Museum of Qatar, The immersive and experiential National Museum of Qatar and MOQ tells the story of Qatar and its people from earliest times to today, bringing to life the peninsula's natural history, giving voice to Qatar's rich heritage and culture, and expressing a vibrant community's aspirations for the future. The new museum embraces, as its centerpiece, the restored historic palace of Sheikh Abdullah bin Jassim Al Thani 1880 to 1957, son of the founder of modern Qatar. Museum of Illusions. Enter the fascinating world of illusions, which will trick your confidence in your own senses, but will also amaze you by doing so. The world that will confuse you completely, but also educate you. We promise you will be thrilled because nothing is what it seems, especially not in the Museum of Illusions. The Pearl Island. The Pearl Island is UDC's flagship project and one of the largest mixed-use developments in the Middle East. The man-made island sits on 4 million sqm of reclaimed land and is located 350 meters offshore of Doha's prestigious West Bay district. Divided into 10 architecturally distinct precincts inspired by the most charming Mediterranean cities. The Pearl Island is considered an iconic site that embodies smart and sustainable features. Offers an eclectic mix of residences, retail, F&B, and entertainment outlets, and houses Doha's fastest-growing community. Qatar National Library. Amazing! I love libraries, but this is one of the best. One of the best architectural beauties of Doha. Brand new, built in a beautiful architectural gem. QNL aims to serve a threefold function as a national library, a research-level university library, and a central metropolitan public library equipped for the digital age. Mia Park. I have made many visits to Doha on business and have even visited the Museum of Islamic Arts, which is a miss to see. But only recently did I take the decision to visit the Museum of Islamic Arts, Mia Park. And boy, was I glad I did.